Now's the time to start looking for all of the stuff that you might be needing in your garden this year. Hello, backyard vegetable gardeners. Welcome to the Backyard Vegetable Gardening channel. Today is Monday, January the 13th, 2025. I sure hope you're having a great day. Well, guys, had a great weekend. I hope you did. We still got 4 to 6 inches of snow on the ground, ice in spots, but mostly everything's good. Me and my wife went gallivanting around yesterday, stopped through a local Walmart just a few miles up the road, and found out that they had lots of stuff. Now, just a spoiler alert, we were out this weekend shoveling snow. We shoveled our place, my mom's place, and a little bit at the church, and me and my son was riding around just having fun that evening. We stopped by a few of the stores, going to restock on some ice melt because what we'd saved up from the year before we used. We're in good shape, don't need none at the moment, but we just want to replenish. And while we was there, we found that they had lots and lots of seeds, man. So Walmart had put out their seed display, Lowe's Hardware had put out their seed display, and as you can see, lots of seeds. So that was a good deal. Made me think to make a video just to inform everybody who might not know. Now's the time to start looking for all of the stuff that you might be needing in your garden this year. So we probably bought about $60 worth of seeds, and just a lot of that stuff was for the babies. Got some zinnias, got some purple beans, these royal burgundy garden beans. My babies seem to love him really good. One in particular, she absolutely loves them. And I was a little sad that the first time that we made our rounds, I couldn't find none. So we got those out of the way. And while we were at the store yesterday, we found some pretty good deals. I'm going to share them with you real quick. It's about 8:30 in the morning. I've got to go into work in just a few minutes. So I figured I'd take just a quick minute to make this video. And one of the things we found that was so nice was these 8-quart seedling pots. I mean, these 2-quart seedling pots in an 8-pack. We got them for $4. So that's not a bad deal at all. Especially, you can get them on Amazon and you have them shipped to your door. But man, we was there, and we don't need a lot of these. Mainly, if we have any tomato plants that grow too large, say it's too cold to put them out there. Just got a couple of these 8-packs, $4 a piece. Really, really good deal. We also found this vermiculite. It's a brand we've kind of familiar with. We bought some seeds from them past year or so, back to roots, but it's vermiculite. And it was on sale for about $7, maybe $8 a bag. We got us a few bags of these. We did leave some, but that's a good deal. Last year we paid twice that amount. Now it was a different brand, and I very seriously doubt there was that much difference in the quality. So we got at least 3 bags of this stuff, $7, $8 a bag. Really, really good deal. I'm going to move through this really, really quick as I can. And we found this really nice garden basket. I think it's from the Expert Gardener brand. That was probably one of the more expensive ones we bought. Oh, there's actually a product label. There you go. And I think we paid $14 or $15 for this, but it seems to be very well constructed with these handles. It's got some kind of locking feature here. Got to pull up on them to move them or something like that. And I don't know why you would want to lock them, but you can lock them like that. I have no idea what purpose that serves. But I do know this. I was looking for a new garden basket, a harvest basket. We've got several around here. A lot of them we get when we buy blueberries from the blueberry farm. This year we're hoping to have a good crop of blueberries. I don't know, still learning to cultivate those things. But we needed one. We found one. Like I said, $14 or $15. Very well constructed. Happy to have it. And we did pick up something that we bought last year. We misplaced it, don't know where it's at, but it seems to be really good. I bought it for a different purpose than gardening, but it's an indoor gardening mat. And if you look at the channel, we've got a video last year about this thing. It's really neat. You unfold it. It's got these little snaps in the corner, and you fold up the corners, and you have a little contained mat for indoor purposes. Here's a picture of it. You can see what it does. $5. We bought us a couple of these, one to keep here, one to give away. And what we bought them for originally is for that kinetic sand, man. My wife bought the baby some of that stuff, and man, I am telling you now, that stuff makes a mess. So we bought them this nice little mat, and they can play with that stuff to their heart's content, man. So $5, indoor gardening mat, Expert Gardener brand at Walmart. Really, really good notion. And the last thing that I think you'd be interested in is they had the same type of self-watering planters that we bought at Lowe's Hardware a few years ago, and this time they were $20. I think they are the Start Picking brand, so that's another, it's the same product, just under a different brand. Lowe's sells them under the Emsco brand. Home Depot sells them, I think they're called patio pickers or smart pickers or something like that. Urban pickers, I don't remember, but they're picking something like that. $20. These are really, really great. Now we have 7 of these. Actually, we got 6 of these. I'm going to give one of these away to one of the grandbabies. Take them home. Mom, help her out pretty good. She loves growing her own food, so we're going to help that little baby grow her own food. But $20 really can't beat the bargain. It's a good deal. I do recommend if you're going to use these, see they got this overflow spout. Get you a 10-20 tray and throw under it. I'd recommend that you probably do the 1.5 inch high one, but do whatever you want just to catch the water. They hold about 3 liters of water, so not a whole gallon, but they do really good. We've got some now. If you follow the channel, we've got some lettuce we've planted in 2 of them. We've got some green onions. We've got some chives. They do really good. We've grew baby carrots in them. We grew radishes in them. Just had lots of fun. In fact, last year we experimented outdoors and grew some green peppers, some bell peppers. I believe they were the California Wonders. They did pretty good. The plants were small as you would expect. The roots couldn't grow large, but we did get 5 or 6 bell peppers off of each of those plants. So we was happy. Just a little experiment, had fun. But guys, that's all there is today. Surely do hope that you're getting ready for your gardening this spring. It's time to get a lot of those things started here in a few weeks. We get our celery going, our broccoli going, things like that. And a few weeks following that, our peppers, cucumbers, tomatoes, things like that. And if you stick around, by the end of the week, we'll have another video about getting your onions started. It's time for us to do that. As always, it was my pleasure to be with you guys. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button. I sure would appreciate it. If you like gardening and garden-related content, I sure would hope you consider subscribing to the channel. That really does do us a good thing with the YouTube algorithm. And if you know some folks that are interested in gardening and garden-related content, why don't you share it with them on other social media. We sure do appreciate you guys. I'm Michael. This is the Backyard Vegetable Gardening Channel. I sure hope you're having a great day.